The dust bag for your sander is made of cloth and has a stretchable band to attach it to the frame. The bag can tear over time or have a hole rubbed through it. Replacing the dust bag is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. Before performing any repairs on your sander, make sure that it's unplugged. The dust bag fits in a groove around the frame. To remove it, I'll just pull it off of the frame. Now I can install the new dust bag. I'll place it over the frame supports and then work the elastic band into the groove on the frame. And that's how easy it is to install a new dust bag on your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.